Hey guys, as I promised, we're back here with Pavlov, and we got Colin again today. Uh, don't shoot me.
God, that's my fault.
Oh, he was a traitor. That's why he shot me. That would add up.
Well, no crap, Sherlock.
Indeed,
I
indeed.
was innocent. Plot twist. Who helped you found that out? The Scooby-Doo gang?
You know, definitely Scooby-Doo helped out.
Come on, Colin, shoot him in the fucking face.
Ooh.
Yeah, baby! That's what we've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Woo!
I didn't understand how the trader tester worked.
That is Scooby-Dooby-Doo. We're coming around. We're gonna solve.
Damn, Mr. Scooby. I don't like being unnamed. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy it. If you don't, hit that dislike button, and I'll know to do less Pavlov. You know. Oh, great! I got the deep voice. Deep voice stuff. Colin, I got the deep. I got the deep voice glitch. I don't like it. Like whenever someone talks on the walkie-talkie, it's a deep voice, like a demon.
Hello.
Yeah, basically. They
Yeah,
just
no,
sound...
this is Hans, and I need this Flammenwerfer.
The Flammenwerfer. Hans, geht's mit dir, Lukas? Die Schuss sind die Attic.
Gosh. Yo, look it. I'm
You got a
detective.
shield. Nice. You're
Take.
No, you're not detective. You're tank. That's even better.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe get like the vector or something so you can just go.
It's a bit too late for that. I don't have any credits. For the cause.
That would killing an innocent doesn't get you credits. Okay. I'm assuming the guy up there's a traitor, so I'm gonna go kill him for you, boss.
Traitor? Oh, he's up there. He's up there. I'm going. Yay!
He was traitor, and I got his trench gun. What happened to the shield? It disappeared. Wait, hold up. Where did the shield go?
Right there.
Where? Oh, it disappeared from me.
Take it.
Trench gun.
I got a
So-
specter and I'm not afraid to use it.
I killed a traitor, so at least we can trust me. I trust myself. I don't like that laser sight. Anyways, if anyone tries anything, it's just one shot to the head with this. And then we pull out this, we go, oh wait, I gotta reload this really quick, give me a sec. There we go. Unless if you want the shield, you're the one with the vector, you should probably take it.
I don't care.
No, you should, because then I can use the trench gun and go pow,
should
pow.
probably start killing.
No. Wait, there are 2 traitors left, you got a point there, boss. You got a point there.
I don't trust you, Polnareff.
I don't trust anyone but myself.
Actually,
Amigo.
Baby! That's what we've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Colin, that trust was very smart. You called out who the traitor was. Good job. I died, but, you know, life.
Were you a traitor?
No, I was innocent.
Well, I was assassin, so pretty much.
Oh, I got the same guns this time. Are you kidding me? Oh, we're gonna become Germans. I have the Makarov. I do not have Luger, but I have Makarov.
I got that shoulder.
I have UMP. I got Makarov.
Buddha tea.
I'm the sheriff around these parts.
Survivalist. I just have to find a dead body. Could be a traitor, which means credits. Or it could be a traitor that killed him, which means enemy. I killed the traitor, Colin. Now I got credits. Okay. I got a med kit over here.
Innocence win.
Yeah, baby, did my job.
Wait,
Uh,
where the
No, not this
What happened?
house. Oh, I got these guns again.
Those are good, double Uzis. Now you just have to kill someone.
mean-
Well, don't kill someone. Just ask someone for their primary. Like, take the detective's primary when he buys the Vector. And then you're like,
What if I really want?
I mean, if you want
got
this,
Zen Luger.
I have M16. I have M16. I'm not gonna lie. And push, and the push, and when we're playing Foundation on the push, I'm survivalist again. I gotta go kill another trader. Give me your credits, trader. I need Vector.
How about we make a friendly recorder?
I want Luger. No, actually, yeah, Vector, not Luger. I want Vector and Medkit.
Here, let's go.
That trader means credits. I want those credits, trader. You better give them to me. Wherever you ran to. Where? Yeah, Uzi guy, I don't really trust you. I'm not gonna lie.
What about this person sniping through a window?
What about you killing the man out
Kill
there?
him.
I'm behind you. Getting real close to me. I really appreciate it. How is your fur?
I just need a trader's dead body so I can get a Vector, alright? So someone kill a trader.
I feel
Please.
very unsafe.
Man, this detective is actually doing detective work.
What the?
Didn't you go fucking bullet?
Come on, Colin. I wanted some trader credits, man.
Well, I'm sorry. I was a traitor.
was the one guy with the double Uzi's trader?
Conflict
No,
of
he
interest.
wasn't.
What?
I thought,
Roland.
I thought he was
Roland
trader,
is the
but he
traitor.
wasn't.
Roland
Well-
is traitor.
He is, but not the dude with the double
Fingers-
Uzis. RPG
Nah.
Penguin.
Oh.
He killed the guy outside, so I
Fingers-
thought he was traitor. Anyways,
I told you he
detective.
wasn't.
Dead.
I got rid of
Look at him,
detective
just over there in
and
the corner.
survivalist. I feel like I did a
badly
pretty good job.
wounded.
You definitely did a lot. Now this man just has to take out 4 innocents, and one of them has double Uzis. Make
Oh,
that
and
2
they're gonna
innocents.
take out each other
Make that 1
first.
innocent.
No,
Call
He
that
can.
missing.
Oh my gosh, and he can.
He almost failed. Oh, he almost failed.
My God, I carried. What?
The innocents did all kill each other, so that is.
Yeah, the innocents
solid
carried
points.
my
I was
traitor.
just saying in the corner how you guys killed each other.
No, I swear, traitors always win when the innocents just kill each other off. It's like it's.
Because I keep on getting shot.
Oh, on the bridge, bro. When I got this gun on the bridge, I hit headshot, headshot, headshot. On this map, it's not so good because it's more close range, but on the bridge, bro, it's all about snipers.
Hey, this is like 4.
But
Just had to make sure it was on single shot. What the? What is?
I will do it.
Oh no!
It's just.
Yeah, we're fucked.
Well, there goes Lone Wolf. There goes
What
Lone
are-
Wolf.
why are
There
they
goes
just
the
running up
innocent.
there?
And here goes the detective.
We're
No, oh, he can pull this off! He can pull this off! No, detective!
I thought the detective was popping off.
Bro, we all went up the stairs and all continued to get slaughtered. Just in a
was up
straight
It's like a
line.
slaughterhouse.
Whoa,
Look at all those
bodies. And then they
Yo,
did.
almost got a disabled kid in a wheelchair.
So, Colin, how was being the jester? Did you enjoy your time as jester? Colin, I have Luga,
I like the
Hans.
noise that auto radio makes because it's different.
Yeah.
But
Mine is full of demon voices. I don't like.
Gosh, this is my first time getting innocent yet, bro.
Are you still on the? Why are you? Your voice is completely demon now for some reason. You know what? It's fine. It's fine.
Oh,
Why
shoot.
are we
Oh, well.
threatening him? Don't point. You point his gun at him. I'll point. This is what we call a shoot yourself standoff.
Yeah, bro. I'll do it. I will do it.
I mean, he had it coming for him. He had it coming for him. He had it coming for him. Someone care to explain what's going on upstairs?
Traitors win.
Oh, he died.
Info text 1, info text 2, info text 3.
Yes.
What?
I think he's hacking. I don't know. Colin, I see you. My teammate killed you. How do you feel?
Sit the fuck down. I'll beat your ass.
Listen. Why do I keep getting the same loadout? Every round I've gotten this loadout. Every round but one. But one. I've gotten this gun and this gun every single round. Please don't.
I don't trust you.
I don't trust you.
Yeah.
You were pointing the gun at me. The only person we can
I'm
trust
just gonna stick with the detective.
is the detective. Is he sheriff, tank, or detective? Oh, he's just normal detective. Shoot my gun.
Hi.
Well, that was quick.
Hey. What the? Buddy. Stop killing people. My God. Watch him be innocent. Watch him be innocent. Watch him be innocent. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. We're all dead. I got dibs on the shotgun. Oh, crap.
Traitors win.
Yo, I thought you were the glitch.
Oh, the call the massacre.
Shot me in the face like an ass.
Shut.
The freaking pipe out the detective's mouth, and it calls the.
Yeah, that means death from where I come from. Pipe leaves detective mouth, detective kill. It's pretty Oh,
I got the
Colin, come with me.
Get your
We
bag
must,
out.
Colin, let's go. We must become long-range German snipers. Survivalist, let's go kill some
I don't
traitors,
trust
boys!
I don't trust you. You've been
Listen,
traitor
listen,
the last
listen,
2 times.
listen. We kill a traitor, I will take his credits and I will buy a vector and a medkit to prove it to you. Or just a vector. Depends how many credits the traitor had. If you shoot me, I will shoot you. Detective, I am being threatened by this man.
I'm the tank.
Between suspicious and too suspicious.
I was Wait, Colin, what were you? You were a traitor, right, Colin? I was lone wolf. I'm so much more cool. Lone wolf is just better, Colin.
Look it.
I had Mukruf. Oh, you guys fall on German weapons. Good, you got British and German. Nice. I have American trench gun. I was lone wolf, and I almost won, but they just had to kill the jester, and now I'm sad.
Lone Wolf, how do you win?
Lone wolf, you kill everyone. I'm innocent this
Oh.
round, so I sadly can't kill anyone without permission. Or I lose karma.
Permission? Permission? I think you can grant permission to kill people.
I do have consent to grant permission on who I want to kill, because it's my own rights. But killing people isn't the way to solve problems.
Sure it is. Yo, it's Tank.
Yes.
He's a Tank.
He's got nice 6-packs. He got an ab. He's got them rock hard Dwayne Johnson
Apple
thighs.
jeans, boots
Boots with the fur, with the fur,
whole damn
holding
club
club,
was
looking
her.
at
Jessica,
her.
did you sleep with your teacher?
That-
Mr. Williams?
No, Ma.
Yes, Mr. Williams! No!
What
Yes,
the
you
f-
did, you slut! Get out of my house!
Hold up. Hold. What the?
It's death!
I really hope that guy was a
Jeff.
traitor. I just shot him.
So much death.
Well,
Nope, not a traitor. My
So,
bad.
so much death.
I am not a god. I
As
did
I-
not
wait,
put
dude,
headshots.
Yeah,
Before
you
I
got
even-
shot at him.
Jaden,
Yeah.
before I even knew I was Lone Wolf, I was asking you how to Lone Wolf works.
Ah, yes, you were. You were.
So basically, upstairs, I tried to commit suicide 3 times. I shot myself directly in the head, and I still survived.
Good job.
Yeah, I know. Like, I was god. It was probably just my flimsy gun that I bought up at eBay.
Yeah.
Craigslist.
But you still were killed at the end, so I mean, problem solved.
It came with 3 dents, 4 bent barrels, and a hand grenade.
If you spam one more time, I swear to the heavenly fathers, I will bring hell upon you.
Oh, that's boring.
Name, can I trade you my weapon? This one.
Sure.
Yay! My favorite weapon.
I'm used to using this weapon, so I don't mind using it. That's death and death and death. That's a dead body. That is 2 dead bodies. Wait, that might be detective. That might be detective we're shooting at. That might be detective we're shooting at. That is probably why
Maybe.
we
Why
might
would
be
we take
shooting.
chances?
Why are we shooting the detective?
Detective, show yourself.
He killed 2 people. I don't know if he wants. Let's go.
Wait, that means one of us is a freaking terrorist.
That's sheriff. That's sheriff. Oh, that is detective. We just shot at the detective. That looks
Wait.
kind of suspicious.
Please don't kill us.
You're a jester. Don't kill him.
Is he though? Is he
Yeah, I
though?
think he is.
Shoot
He has
me!
a big old J
Do
in
it!
front of his head. Like, what do you mean?
What?
He was traitor.
I know, I'm just
Yeah.
making a fish with that.
Don't say he has a big old J in front of his head. Only traitors can see Jester. That kind of gave you.
Oh,
Yeah, it's all right. It happens. I mean, the assassin won anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Wait, Jaden.
I was a glitch. Colin, you and me had the same reactions when he's like, he has a big J above his head. We're both like,
y'all both turn around and look at me.
we just both had our guns drawn, like, buddy. I like being glitched though. It's fun unless they know the trick of how to tell they're glitched, then it kind of ruins the whole point. But it's whatever. Also, Colin, I'm gonna do the outro pretty soon, so I don't run over 20 minutes. You know the
This
thing.
not me. This not me, bro. This not me, bro.
Try not to die while I go and
Hey,
do my stuff.
Hey,
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this little Pavlov video. Stay tuned for the beautiful gorilla tag videos. That stuff was a different breed. The survivalist was shanked over here. Does anyone know who came up the stairs very late? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it was nice playing Pavlov. Have a great day, guys. Love ya. Mwah.